Hey Shiba Army, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Hope you're enjoying your long weekend if you're in the US, enjoying your happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day. Alright guys, today I got your latest update for Shiba Inu. We've got a lot of stuff we're going to go over guys. We're going to take a look at the charts, take a look at the global crypto market, see what's going on in the world today guys. So let's get right into the video. So here we are on coinmarketcap.com, trading in the 8377 range. Volume up over 7%, 7.5%, over 406 million. Right now, market cap down slightly, 3.3 billion, still within that same range as we've been in for the last few days. Here we are on the 1J chart, as you can see. As we've been going, not too much happening. As you can see, kind of going downward slightly, but still staying within a healthy range. As you can see right here, the low was 825 and the high was only 886. So not a lot of price movement really, but as you can see right here, it takes a little dip at around 7 a.m. So we always have these strange price actions. I find around 3 to 4 in the morning and then around 6, 7 in the morning. So as you can see right here, 7:04 a.m. being in that 8.6 range and then just taking a little dip down to 8.3. So it looks kind of big on the chart, but it's not a huge price movement. So I wouldn't be too concerned. It's only a couple percent, but we're consolidating and we're just vastly approaching, hoping for something to happen today like Shiba Swap. You know, there was a lot of teasing going on over the weekend with Satoshi sending out tweets. He's doing his usual trolling, you know, mentioning the weekend song and getting everybody hyped that it's actually going to happen, and then tweeting again, in the Discord stating that the weekend isn't over. So people thinking that it could have happened during the overnight period as that was released pretty late, or it could potentially happen today because today is a part of the long weekend in the US for Independence Day. Right, so people still anticipating that it could happen, so we gotta wait and see. There were some teasers on the Discord. If you watched my last video, you would have noticed, as we've seen here on the website, this button, new Shiba Swap, is now active and got people really excited and people are freaking out. But obviously when you click on it, you just get to see this where it says woofing soon. But what you do notice, sorry, it's not caught in my screen catcher, but the website now is actually changed. So when you click that button, it goes to a new website. So instead of Shiba token, it goes to shibaswap.com. So you can go have a look at that and take a look at that. So that's pretty exciting because this is where Shiba Swap will be hosted. So things are in motion, things are happening, guys. We just need to get that green light from Certic, and we're going to be on our way to hopefully killing another zero, dropping that zero, and getting back to where we want to be, or closer to where we want to be. Now guys, just before we get any further in the video, I just want to mention that I'd appreciate if you guys could all subscribe, consider subscribing, turning on those post notifications, and of course guys, get your free stocks from Webull. I have a link in the description below. As you know, I'm an affiliate, and once you deposit only $5, guys, yeah, they had it at $100 last month. Now it's only $5, so I know you got this kind of money, and basically with this $5, you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. And at the very lowest, if you get the worst stocks ever, you're gonna get $11 worth of stocks for free. So that's not bad, getting a free $11, but on the bright side, you can get anywhere from $11 to $2,300. Right guys, so go take a look at it. Great platform, great app, you know, enjoy it. Android, iOS. Now with Shiba Inu in the red by a few percent, it only makes sense that the global crypto market is also down. Generally, we follow the way of the global crypto market. So when the market's up, we're up. When it's down, we're down, like the majority of the tokens and coins out there. So as you can see, global crypto market cap is 1.41 trillion, down almost 4% over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin coming down quite a bit, as yesterday it was at the $35,000 level, and now we're at this $33,000 level. So coming down almost 5% in this 24-hour period. However, 7-day not looking too bad, only being down 2%. Ethereum actually kind of came up a little bit. Yesterday we're in the $2,300 range, and then it kind of came down to 21, 22. So now we're staying at this 22 level, which isn't too bad at all. Down about 4%, but over the 7-day, still looking very, very good, up over 7%. Everything pretty much in the red, as you can see. Even Dogecoin down about 6%. Overall 7-day, 9%. XRP, everything pretty much in the red today, guys. It's just one of those days now. There's no news out. There's nothing that's drastically causing this. No issues from China or no negative tweets from Elon Musk or Donald Trump. However, what I think it is, it's the long weekend in the US, the stock market is closed, and there's just not a lot of interest today. People are enjoying time with their family, their loved ones, they're on vacation, they're at a cottage, you know, they're sitting at the beach. So since there's no action, and it really drives with the stock market being down, all those retail investors and huge institutions are away from their desks. So we should see it pick up tomorrow. My guess is that tomorrow we're going to start to rally up into the green because everybody's going to be back from their well-rested vacation, their long weekend, and be ready to trade and start making money again. Now guys, if you've been following my channel, you know I like to cover Leash. I like to take a look at it. Been covering it for quite some time now. As you can see, down just under 3% on the day, coming in at $3,317. But overall, the volume's picking up. More interest is getting into Leash. Most likely, in my opinion, due to this low circulating supply of 107,000. So as you can see, volume up almost 24% in the day. 15 million right here, market cap at that 357 million. So all in all, things are looking fairly well for Doge. Yeah, it's down, but the entire market is down. And we saw some monster moves, as I've said in many videos, that the day before the AMA last week on Monday the 28th, we saw that monster high going to 4,500 and dipping down a bit. But then even before the AMA on Tuesday, we still went up to that $4,400 range. So all in all, it's a very, very healthy situation to be in. Now the holders for Leash is actually growing. It's about 26,179. My earlier videos yesterday, we're in that 25,000 range. So slowly we're actually gaining some traction, but you got to remember this is a much higher priced asset. So it's not gonna grow as fast as Shiba Inu, where for the price of $3,300 you can buy 400 million SHIB for the price of one Leash. So that's what drives that, right? A lot of people would rather have 400 million of something than one, even though there's a very limited supply in that one asset, right here, 107,000. Now, obviously, we're still waiting for Shiba Swap. This is the biggest event that's going to probably take place for Shiba Inu, but there could be a lot more, as the team from Shiba Swap, Shiba Inu team, has mentioned many times that this is only the beginning and they have a lot more coming. Shiba Swap isn't the end all. We're going to have a lot more upcoming projects. This is just one of them. But I believe this is the one that most of the people, if not everybody involved in Shiba Inu right now, or who's wanting to get inside Shiba Inu, is waiting for. And they promised us in June that we would have it, and that's why it's causing a lot of disconcerting from people getting very upset about this. And then, we heard from Certic on the AMA thinking it was going to take a little more time because of the whole auditing process. And with the long weekend here and almost done, as we're on Monday, the final day of the long weekend, it could still happen, but a lot of people just thinking it's not going to happen. It's still going to take some more time. A lot of people just request that maybe we had a timeline in place. If they say, it's going to be within 2 weeks, but we've constantly been having it pushed back. But it's really only a matter of time. It really seems that it is complete. Certic seemed very pleased during the AMA. That was their point, to actually state that it's a scam. It doesn't exist. We have no recollection of Shiba Swap. We've never worked with the Shiba Swap team, but they did. They said they was one of the most complex projects they've ever worked on. They were a great team. It's a great project. So it's only a matter of time. So we do know it exists. We had Steve from Rocket Crypto, a Shiba analyst, create those demos. So we've seen it. We just got to wait until it's in our hands, until it's like a live version. So guys, we still got to wait, but I expect that we should see something this week. Definitely, there's been so much anticipation, and there's only so much longer these guys can stall, right? How many more tweets or messages in the Discord can they actually tease us about, being the weekend or the weekend's not over? It's only a matter of time, guys. It's going to happen to come out, but with the market being in the red today and being on holiday, probably not going to happen today. As we mentioned before, we think it's going to happen when the market's in the green. And with the stock market closed today, there's not a lot of action. People are away. So as we've talked about earlier, so let's wait to see tomorrow. I'm guessing maybe tomorrow, later on in the week, but today I don't think it's going to be happening. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. I hope you got some value out of the video. Please consider subscribing, turning on those post notifications, sign up for Webull, link below. Get those 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. All you got to do is deposit $5, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Look forward to Shiba Swap, guys. It's going to be released any moment. So keep checking the sites, keep checking the Certic website, keep checking that Shiba Swap button on the Shiba token website. As always, guys, happy trading, happy investing, and I'll see you all in the next video.